Ever wondered how you can earn money while sitting at your computer? The digital landscape has transformed, making it possible for anyone with an internet connection to tap into the vast opportunities of earning online. Today, we explore some of the most legitimate and accessible ways to make money from the comfort of your home. First up, freelancing. This is a fantastic option for those who have a specific skill set, be it writing, graphic design, programming, or even video editing. Platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr provide a marketplace where you can offer your services. The beauty of freelancing is the flexibility it offers. You work on your terms, your time, and most importantly, from anywhere in the world. Next, let's talk about e-commerce. Selling products online has never been easier. With platforms such as Shopify and Etsy, you can set up an online store in a matter of hours. The key here is to find a niche market or a product that has a particular demand. Whether it's handcrafted jewelry, vintage clothing, or even digital products like ebooks and courses, there's a market for almost everything. Content creation is another lucrative avenue. Platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram are not just for entertainment, they are powerful tools for making money. Through advertising revenue, sponsored content, and affiliate marketing, creators can turn their passion for content into a profitable business. The trick is to consistently create engaging and valuable content that resonates with your audience. To wrap up, making money online is not just a fleeting trend, it's a viable option for anyone looking to supplement their income or even replace it entirely. Explore these avenues, find what suits you best, and take that first step towards your financial independence. Remember, every journey begins with a single step. Take yours today.